I think you're a female butterfly. You love me. You just gonna look at me? You gonna flip your wings a little bit? Huh? What you gonna do? You sure, there you go. You sure are funny. You gonna ride on my hat? Huh? You ride on my hat. That's funny.
Bye-bye, butterfly. Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is Stop and Go, and he's going to hang a berry bag. He's going to take that rock, and he's going to throw it over that limb right there. And first time's a charm. This is called a PCT hang. You take the carabiner and you clip it, and then you pull the rope through the other side. You pull that through too. Then you take a stick.
Gotta get a strong one.
Get a strong one.
They're all rotten.
Not all of them. Is that a good one? So you hoist it up. And when you pull the bag all the way up, you take your stick and you tie it onto the rope as high as you can reach. And when you let go, it keeps the bag up in the air, and that's called a PCT hang. Yay! Applause! Scream is out.
$25.
Alright, we're leaving Iron Mountain Shelter. We zeroed here yesterday because it stormed. We decided to stay dry. And everything is soaked. Everything is wet. But today is going to be a dry, good day. We're going to go resupply at a hostel called Rabbit Hole. And, yeah, it's going to be a great day. A lot of campsites down there for future campers. I'm not used to seeing that many camp spots at a shelter, but this is a nice shelter. We see some deer yesterday. It's peaceful. And there's a trail where we're going. Scream is out.
There you are.
There's a deer.
Okay. Well, you have a good breakfast this morning.
Can't really get a good look at it. Gosh, golly. I wish I could have got it right when it was right up on me like that. It was like right up on us.
I heard a little sound. The tree was
Oh, can't even see it. Oh, my phone sucks. Daggone it. Oh well, Scrooby's out.